If you're looking for highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. You're in the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight onto the charts. In today's video, I will be speaking about BTC USD. Now, as usual, I will be performing first a complete multi-time frame top-down technical analysis. Then we will go and see what we have when it comes to the on-chain data, so how Bitcoins are moving on and off from exchanges. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on this store of value. Now, starting here on the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market is currently testing a quite strong level of previous monthly support and demand, which is now again here support and demand. And what we can expect is for the market to retest this level and then potentially reject it to the upside. So here in the monthly, everything seems very bullish. We expect a test and rejection to the upside. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here in the weekly, we can see that the market at the moment has just rejected the strong level of previous support, which the market broke to the upside when it was turned resistance here, however then rejected once again to the downside. So we just rejected quite strong historical structure and we rejected it as resistance. And at the moment, what we could expect is another test of this lows here. Why do I say this? Because I really don't believe that we will see a big drop strong below this level. The reason being is that the biggest wallets on the Bitcoin blockchain have been accumulating inside of this weekly accumulation zone here. So I believe that they will be protecting their buys around this area. So we might see a very quick slippage below the zone, maybe a little dip below the area, but I don't believe that we will just drop below this level. I believe that this is where the market will hold. Now, if we go down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here on the daily time frame, we can see how in creating this move to the downside, the market has printed this green candle here. Now at the moment, this green candle is the structured zone that the market needs to break back to the upside in order to be again in a daily bullish structure. So here on the daily, until we will manage to break above this resistance, we will remain with a bearish daily structure. Now, if we go and see what we have from an on-chain data perspective, what we can see here is that the black line is the price, the blue line is the amount of Bitcoins on exchanges. And what we can see here is that during all this move to the downside that we're currently getting, the amount of Bitcoins on exchanges has continued to drop, meaning that we're seeing way more buying basically and moving away from exchanges than the selling that we're getting, and possibly this buying is coming from institutions. So in the long run, in my opinion, everything is still very bullish for Bitcoin. So if we will manage to break back above this previous resistance turn support, this is a good area inside of which we could see a retest and then rejection higher. So if we will manage to break and retest this level, instead of here, what we will be doing with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the on-chain data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, after the break on the retest inside of here, we would be monitoring price action with students from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside and for the potential creation of a new daily higher high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of the strategies. Then you also get a daily market breakdown every day to see which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers the same day. So it's a very complete program. We're also currently running a special promotion. And to find out more, the link is in the description and I will see you on it.